What's up, y'all? I'm gonna be teaching you how to make some chicken breasts. Got my chicken here. Looking juicy. I'm gonna take this chicken. I already pre-marinated it. I'll put it in here. Can't use my other hand because I'm recording. Alright. Now that we got our chicken breasts, I'll spread it evenly. Got my oven preheating 400 degrees. I repeat, 400 degrees. What did I put in my chicken breasts? Salt. Oh, we got that Himalayan salt. Got pepper. Roasted garlic and peppers. Delicious. Homemade hot sauce. White pepper. And you gotta have the Sichuan poppin' peppers. Little devils. Put some soy sauce in that bitch. Put some sesame oil in that bitch. And there you have it. Alright guys, it's 400. So I'm gonna put it in now. Take this. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, shit. Oh, that's heavy. Throw it in there. And I'll see you guys back in 20 minutes. No, I meant 15 minutes. Alright guys, chicken should be good now. Let's turn this off. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for around 10 minutes. And then we can eat it, yay! Okay guys, I'm gonna cut open this chicken. Oh, listen to that sound. Let's see how it tastes. Look how tender that is. Okay. Shit. Okay. Okay.
Oh God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.